First, see this. Now we can easily create icons using text. Not only this, you can also create icons of your image. So let's see how we can do this. Open any browser and search svg.io. Open the first link. Initially you will have 10 free credits. If you have any text, search here. Search anything. BMW car. Click on generate. You can download this as well. This is in SVG format, so if you want to edit it, you can edit it. I will open it in Illustrator. Let's try to change the color of this car. So by this you can create different types of icon by just using text. Try this and let me know in the comment section.